Hi guys, this is Madiha and Coco here from quarantine. Today we're gonna be cooking. Coco is excited. Today we're gonna be cooking. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Cloves, turmeric, whole cardamom, black pepper, red chili, coriander powder, garlic and ginger paste, and salt. So I'm gonna cut the onion in medium pieces and blend it. This is what's gonna make our curry. I'm gonna add a little water. So I'm gonna blend this chickpeas now. Okay, let's go. We're gonna play. Now in a pan, I'm gonna add some olive oil. To warm up medium heat. So we're gonna add the onion now. Now I'm gonna add all my spices. My garlic and ginger paste. And I'm gonna add water in medium heat. In the meantime, we're gonna boil the eggs. Let's gonna check in our curry. Smells delicious. I'm gonna add the chickpeas. And in low heat, we're gonna cook this for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna check my chickpeas. They are soft. Yeah.